Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and power. Make sure batteries are fresh and the universal remote supports the target brands. Next, collect model numbers or device ID because programming often needs exact matches. Once done, install the vendor or universal remote app on your phone. This speeds IR/Bluetooth pairing and provides code lists. You'll save time because the app automates many steps you would otherwise do manually, and it verifies device responses as you proceed. You'll now pair and program codes. Use the app's auto search to scan for compatible codes because it's faster and reduces guesswork. If auto fails, switch to manual code entry from the provided list and try one code at a time. For IR programming, hold the remote 1 to 3 meters away and point directly at the device. For Bluetooth, ensure the device is discoverable. Once a code responds, immediately test core functions, power, volume, input, so you can lock in a reliable configuration. You finish by saving the profile and clearly labeling each device in the app. This prevents future confusion and speeds reconfiguration. Make sure to resync after firmware updates because updates can reset pairings or add improved codes. If a function fails, verify line of sight for IR, reduce distance, or remove obstructions. For Bluetooth, toggle discoverability and retry. As a quick troubleshooting tip, reset the remote to factory defaults and rerun the auto search if none of the codes work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.